Welcome back to Nikit Engineers Welding Automation and Robotics Solutions India. Today, we're diving into a critical component of the semiconductor industry: stainless steel flexible hose welding. Our Flexi Hose Welder is here to revolutionize the way these essential components are welded. In the high-tech world of semiconductor manufacturing, precision is everything. Even the smallest of components can make a world of difference. That's where stainless steel flexible hoses come into play. They serve as crucial conduits for various gases and chemicals, ensuring the flawless operation of semiconductor equipment. Now, let's talk about a game-changing solution, the Flexi Hose Welder. This cutting-edge technology is designed to meet the stringent demands of the semiconductor industry. Our Flexi Hose Welder is equipped with advanced robotics and automation, ensuring unparalleled precision in the welding process. Every weld is flawless, meeting the industry's high standards. Stainless steel is the material of choice for these hoses due to its durability and corrosion resistance. Our Flexi Hose Welder ensures that every joint is strong, leak-free, and built to last, even in the harshest of environments. By automating the welding process, we not only improve quality but also increase efficiency. With reduced human error, you'll experience zero defects, saving time and resources. The Flexi Hose Welder isn't just a one-size-fits-all solution. It can adapt to various hose sizes and configurations, ensuring versatility in your production line. In the semiconductor industry, precision and reliability are paramount. With Nikit Engineers Flexi Hose Welder, you get the best of both worlds. So, if you're looking to elevate your semiconductor manufacturing game, consider our cutting-edge welding solution. Contact us today and let's embark on a journey towards higher efficiency, quality, and innovation in the semiconductor industry. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.